Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have repo access, so start by updating main and creating a feature branch. Once done, switch to your new branch so you won't affect main. Make sure the file you need is present and open it in your editor. This avoids context switching. If you prefer the web, click New Branch from main and open the file in the browser editor. Now you're positioned to make safe, isolated changes without impacting other work. You'll now edit with intent. Change only what's needed and keep commits atomic. Once you save, run the project's tests and linters so you catch regressions early. This saves reviewers time and prevents CI failures. After passing tests, stage your changes and write a clear commit message describing why and what changed. If required, sign off or reference an issue number. These steps build trust and make later review and merging much smoother. You push your branch and create a pull request, then add reviewers and a concise description. Make sure CI passes and respond to review comments. Iterate with small follow-up commits. Once approved, merge using the project's preferred method: squash, merge commit, or rebase. After merging, update your local main and remove the feature branch. If something goes wrong, like merge conflicts, resolve them locally by rebasing or merging main into your branch. Fix conflicts, test again, and push the result. That usually clears the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.